Hello, you guys. We have such a fun video planned today. You can hear in my voice, I'm a little bit sick, but that's okay. We're gonna get through it. So, first things first, this is going to be available everywhere, but it comes in the January 2024 premium bundle. So, if you already have that, you don't need to buy it, but I will also link a separate link for this, just because I want to try something new and I want to make this kind of like the fun little projects available to everyone. So we're just gonna jump into it. It's pretty simple. I've done a lot of prep work so that this video is pretty easy to watch, and it's already a pretty easy tutorial. So we are just gonna get into it. You're gonna start off with all of these pieces you see here. Okay, come on, voice. These are all pockets, and so what you're gonna do is just put a very thin line of glue on all of them, like so, because they're gonna just be these gorgeous pockets that you can stuff with whatever you like. This is a really fun theme this month. It's called Floral Frost, which sums it up so nicely. Just like in my head, like I think of floral frost, and then I just like see things like this, like these little images. And here's my favorite. Isn't that just gorgeous? Anyway, I'm really excited for it. It's gonna be such a fun kit, and yeah, it's gonna be a good time creating with it. I'm really excited to see kind of where things go. There's your second pocket, and just line it up best you can. Super pretty. And obviously you can switch the layering if you'd rather have certain pieces in front or vice versa. There we go. Yes, so I will link both kits. I will link this separately, and I will also link the gold plan. And there's also a little sale. If you use the code Monarch3, you can get $3 off of your first kit, which is convenient because then you'll just be paying $6 for like a $30 kit. Yeah. Alright, so there's our base. Super pretty. As you guys can see, I already inked it. If you want to go up and beyond kind of what you could do, is before you glue your pieces, you could sew around each of these, and it just makes it wow, like just beautiful. So fun. At this point, you're pretty much done with your base, and you can stuff anything in this base. It doesn't have to be what the kit comes with. Here's kind of the gist, is you're gonna glue these three sides on the back into a journal to form a giant pocket for this little guy. Really cute, really fun. I'm gonna leave this open because I think it'd be fun to stuff some vintage copy dyed paper in there. And I'm gonna just add this little number tab, pull tab. It's one of the smaller ones in the kit, but I really liked how it looked. And I'm gonna actually put it lower. I know I usually put it in the middle or on the higher side, but I want to try this. I want to see how I feel about it. My numbers are upside down, but besides that, it looks great. And then I have this, and I'm going to form a little pocket with it right here. There's also the back side. It's just a blank back side. But I'm going to form a little pocket. And so to do that, again, just three sides. The secret to junk journaling, and the funnest part about it, is the layering. You just gotta layer, layer, layer. Alright, so then I'll stuff something in there later. I don't know what yet. I'll have to see what supplies I have left over, but really cute right off the bat. Cute. Okay. So we'll just put this one to the side for now and come back to this. So I already did, the prep work I did included some just already designing some of these. I had some lace on this one, which was really cute. I left this one open because it's a good journaling card. A lot of them are double-sided, and you'll see that in the kit that they look like that, and then you just fold them and glue them together, or you can leave them open. So those are the ones I already have, and so we're just gonna stuff them. That one's gonna go in there. I think these two will go here. In my very front pocket, I believe I'm gonna do this one. I like to make them look all cute. But it holds quite a bit. We're not even done, and we're almost, you know, we still got a lot of space to fill. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this one on camera, because why not? But I'm gonna glue this one shut. Just because I left the other one open, so it's fun to just mix it up. Glued it shut. And then on this one, I'm actually gonna put this really fun tab. I really like this one. I'm just gonna put it there, and I'm deciding if I want a rivet or not. A rivet could be really cute, and how high up you want it is totally up to you. Could do it like that. I think I'll just go for a nice middle. I think a rivet would also be very cute. That looks good to me. And if the glue dries, you could add a rivet. This one will also go in the front because the blue is just too good to pass up on. We'll put that one, scoot it a little bit. And then here's another one I made. I added this number tab and then I hole punched it. And that one is my very back one. There's a cat passing by my window right now. It's really cute. Kind of passes by every day, actually. Okay, so there is that final piece. And then I am gluing this lovely guy in the back here, because I love a bold statement, and I loved when I was deciding how I wanted to do this. That's kind of what I thought would look really cute. All right, now I still have this little guy that you can add on the front, wherever you want. I'm gonna go with that. And I'm sticking it up over the pocket. Like that. And then there's some more pieces, little pieces that you can add. There's one more little flower, some little spread loves, winter. I'm gonna put that number right there. Well, I'm actually gonna put some lace to tie in the other lace. I did like a bright white lace. I usually do cream, but I actually really ended up liking it. I'm just gonna stick that right there, just to take away some of that bare paper. And then I'm going to add on a little number decal. See, this is about, it's a great spot. And then of course, yeah, again, this is a pocket, and so you can decide kind of what you want to add into it. I only have this really big piece left, and I'm gonna just cut it, make it a little bit smaller. And then of course re-ink it. I won't, just for the sake of the video, but I think I'm gonna round these edges out, just that would look nice. Just playing it by ear over here. A little rivet would look great right there. That obviously might fall in, but that's okay. And there you have it. Super simple floral frost edition. It's so cute and so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'll link everything you need below. And I hope you guys just have a lovely day, and we will see you next time.